Hi, David Campanile here, owner of Campanile Law, located in the great state of New Jersey. We do estate planning and probate. As always, if you'd like to schedule your free 45-minute strategy session, please contact me at njestateattorney.com. So today was kind of a thought that travels through my mind, and it's kind of a question that I always ask my clients when we start in the estate planning process. So I thought, why don't I just bring it all to you guys right here? And that question is, what is your legacy? To some people, your legacy are your children. To some people, their legacy is money, fame, fortune, success. To some people, your legacy are your genes, your genetics. And just kind of break that one down a little bit, because when I hear it's your family name or your genetics, it comes kind of a sticking point almost, as I would say. Not really a sticking point, but let's break it down. So you are the sibling or 100% of your own genes. There is nobody else in the world that has your genes, because you're 50% of your mother and 50% of your father. So think about it. When you get married and have a child, that child is 50% of your genes, or 25% of your mother's genes and 25% of your father's genes, but they're 50% of your genes now. Then you have grandchildren. Those grandchildren are 25% of your genes. Your great-grandchildren would be 12.5% your genes. Your great-great-grandchildren would be 6.25% your genes. So, and what is that? Really, almost 5 generations, 6 generations maybe, your genes are almost less than 1%. So basically, your legacy, your genetics are gone. So it's kind of scary to think that that's how quick your legacy would leave that way. It's pretty quick, actually. So when I hear that, it's kind of like, wow, if I'm just leaving genetics or my last name, it's going to be gone pretty quickly. And if you only have one child and that child changes their last name, your last name really ends with you. So that's just something else to even contemplate. So then we're thinking about it in terms of estate planning is, well, if my genetics are going to be gone in 6 generations and my name could be gone in 1, how else do I plan my legacy? So it's kind of where when I sit down with my clients, I don't explain it as estate planning. I consider it legacy planning. You're planning for your legacy, for what you want your kids to carry on that is yours. So that is why I preach the creation of a will, and provide, or a trust, to provide your legacy to those future generations so they know who you are. And it doesn't have to be money. I even consider legacy planning photographs that you want to make sure are passed down. There's stories that your families have told you time and time again that you've decided to write down, or they've written down and passed these down to you to ensure that these last, because we all have stories. We all have some sort of a legacy. But, it was just kind of a thought I was having about it. And, but with your will, with your trust, you really are preserving your legacy for future generations. And I just thought that was something really cool. I thought it was kind of scary to think about how quick your genetics kind of go, or become non-existent, and how quick your last name can perish. So, sorry to bring all that bad news to you, but it was something that crossed my mind, and I really wanted to bring it to your attention. So, hey, if you found this video informative, please like us on Facebook. Please like Campanile Law on Facebook. Give this video a like. Share it out to the world. Maybe somebody you know is going through estate planning or probate, has some questions. This video could help them out a little bit. If you're on YouTube, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to us on YouTube. If you want to speak or have any questions, comments, concerns about estate planning, please feel free to reach out to me at njestateattorney.com. I will gladly schedule a free 45-minute strategy session to go over any estate planning or probate questions you may have. As always, I'm David Campanile, owner of Campanile Law, located in the great state of New Jersey. Have a wonderful day.